How are you?
Jacob?
Yes. Is this the one right here?
Yes.
Okay.
And like my file cabinet lock on it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Carrying on. It should be the top. I've been watching people walk by. Nobody's thrown anything in. You come from elsewhere, from Ohio?
No, I came from Nebraska, not Ohio. So I'm starting off with a rake and a Z-shaped tensioner. I'm gonna feel around. I want to find out which way this thing turns. I end up swapping my tensioner back and forth to see which side gives me best leverage. I pretty much have it figured out, but I'm sick of this tensioner. I'm about to pull another one and it'll pick pretty easily from there.
Bother you that I'm looking at?
Not at all. No, I'm so used to it.
I don't know. Like, can I turn that? No, I can't.
Okay.
You're an angel. Okay. There are the newspapers. I know what I'll call it. Then we won't have to disturb it, or that. Okay.
I hear it.
You do?
Or someone's calling you.
843. That's my husband. Oh, wait. He called me in. Okay, we're here. We got it open. I got to call it. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. 188. That was just a bad coincidence. Okay.
Oh, I hear it vibrating.
Oh, and it fell the perfect way. Oh, man.
Yay!
You're a saint.
All right, let's lock it back up.
I got to tell, there's a couple that...
I want to quickly point out you can't unlock city property without permission.
Please.
Yeah, of course. I'll get you a card.
I have another project, a church lock.
Awesome.